Since inventing the oil filter in 1923, Purolator has been relentlessly perfecting oil, air, cabin air, and fuel filters for the automotive aftermarket. With countless filtration patents, Purolator is trusted by technicians and DIYers alike to provide advanced filtration and protection. It's our mission to stay a step ahead of contaminants, safeguarding your engine, your fuel tank, and even the air you breathe. To learn more about Purolator's impressive product lines, visit PurolatorNow.com.
When will you see your customer next? You need to be asking this question every time a customer comes to your shop. You don't need to be a psychic to answer this question. What you do need is the maintenance schedule. Looking forward on the schedule can save your customer an extra trip, protect their vehicle, and help you to capture their business. If a customer is due for an oil change, look forward on the maintenance schedule to see what will be expiring during that oil change. Then you can bundle maintenance items like air and cabin air filters into one visit. An air filter can protect the engine for 12 months or 12,000 miles. However, with some oil change intervals lasting 7,000 or even 10,000 miles, the air filter may exceed its recommended interval before the next oil change. If the filter exceeds the recommended interval, it can impact performance and fuel efficiency. Chances are your customer will not know the last time the cabin air filter was replaced, or even if they have a cabin air filter. It is recommended to replace the cabin air filter every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Regular replacement of the cabin air filter will prevent the diminished performance of the HVAC system and health of the evaporator and heater cores. For the occupants in the vehicle, regular replacement will keep out and capture inert allergens like mold and soot. Bundling air, oil, and cabin air filters together can not only save the customer an extra trip to your shop, but it can protect their investment in their vehicle. Purolator has a full line of filters for oil, air, and cabin air filters. They also have different filter lines like Purolator One and Boss, so you can tailor the filters for the driver and their environment. Thanks for watching.